Welcome to the flowerschool.com video library. I'm Leanne Kessler, Director of the Floral Design Institute, and today I'm here to chat with you about a lantern wedding centerpiece. Yes, lanterns continue to be on trend. You've seen them, so many different ways to use them. Today we'll be looking at a centerpiece. They are perfect for candles. You can use natural flame because it's enclosed, or if they don't allow flame, the battery operated work fabulous as well. So let's get started and see how we can create a centerpiece. The base, a 13-inch design tray from the Oasis Company. It's been pre-soaked with water and flower food. Then I'm going to cover the mechanics using tea leaves in this beautiful mahogany, again on trend. It's easy, just taking the leaf, giving it a cut, and then place that into the foam, wrap it around, and when you get to the side, using a greening pin, place that right in, and then repeat. You can even take it, pierce through the preceding leaf. That way it will cover where you put the pin. Placing it in, bringing it around, greening pin, and repeat all the way around on the outside. But don't forget, you also want to conceal the inside. So giving it a cut, placing it in, and wrapping on the inside. I don't worry about covering the top. I just want the sides and the interior concealed. The top, that's where the flowers are going to go. I don't love the green tray, so for that, using colored gravel from Accent Decor comes in all the on-trend metallics plus colors. The gold works so nicely with the burgundy. Spreading it out, I'll lift it. You can see a little bit of color in there. Adds a touch of sparkle. Then placing the candle in the hurricane lantern, closing the door, and just setting it in place. I'm going to remove the lantern so that you can see how I place the flowers. Then we'll just put it back in later. So let's set this out of the way and come back to the roses. I've got these gorgeous Secret Garden roses. They're from 50flowers.com. Pulling off anything that's damaged, but I've let them open. They're a week old so that I could get them full and voluptuous, giving me great coverage. Then all I need to do, give it a cut and place it down into the foam where they'll have plenty of water to drink, so they'll hold fabulously. And begin the coverage, grouping them, leaving some holes because I'll be adding other flowers as well, but coming out with that gorgeous dusty pink. Again, on trend for the blush wedding. Once I have the beauty of the roses circling around, groupings, leaving some space, I go back and add more materials. Now I also have some dahlias from 50flowers.com. They're so beautiful. That deep, deep cranberry hue. Again, on trend. Updating the blush. Inserting that in. Going back with the buds. Letting them come up a little bit with the bloom, angling their heads, grouping those as well. You can actually just pierce straight through the leaves. For the perfect little faces. Maybe do this one really short, just almost up and down. Coming around to the opposite side, through the leaf, and then terracing above. Then adding some beautiful heather, soft pink hue. This will add texture, softness, and also start to finish covering the mechanics. You can let it come down and some verbena to bring in the deep violet, the purple Pantone color of the year, and yet a little more texture. This works so well. You can see as I spin it around, it's beautiful from all sides. The pink roses just jump at you. Now the cranberry dahlias, dark color, recedes, but as you get closer, absolutely gorgeous. Then adding the heather and the verbena gives you just that perfect texture, and to really finish off the color palette. Then last thing, once you have it delivered, you're ready for the party, you need to turn it on, set it in, and then just carefully slide it in, right down, and you're ready to go. The added benefit with this centerpiece, if you're working with a bride that's on a budget, you can use the lantern to mark the aisle, put the centerpiece on the tables at the reception, and then after the wedding, just move the lantern, place it inside. So you rent this, sell this, and get double benefit. For more creative inspiration, check out the website at flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there or pick up the telephone and give us a call at 503-223-8089. And of course, I love to see what you create. Take a picture, post it on social media, and tag Floral Design Institute so we all can see. Because now it's your turn. Have fun and do something you love.